Jersey, and we distribute and manufacture probably over 3,000 different kitchen tools, gadgets, bakeware, cookware, all sorts of different things to make your life easier in the kitchen. And I've brought a few new things that are coming to the market today. Some of them actually we don't even have here in the store yet because they are so new we don't even have them into our warehouse to ship. We tried. One of the new items is going to be these Evo sprayers and you get a set of two, one for olive oil and one for your vegetable oil. And what they will do is, and they're actually being redesigned, these are the old versions, they're more of an oval shape, and we've made them better because the straw that you see going down there, when you tilt it, it's going to be where all of the oil congregates so that you're not trying to spray and nothing's coming out. I use this all the time if I'm doing paninis, whatever. I just, it's just a nice light spray of olive oil instead of pouring it. So you get a nice controlled amount. So if you're doing paninis and you want it on the bread, you don't have to pour it out and it all congregates right in that one spot and then you have to quickly try to spread it out. You can put it on your salads, for some olive oil on your salads, whatever. It's just a really nice controlled spray. And staying on the spraying and the pouring of olive oil, we're introducing this new store and pour bottle, and we also will have this in a syrup dispenser, and this is gravity activated. So it's got a little stainless steel and also in there, so you cannot put it in the microwave. You can just, for the syrup dispenser, you can unscrew it and stick it in the microwave to warm up your syrup. But basically, it's just an easy, gravitated pour, dripless. So it's very, very controlled. There are measurements on the side, so that's a great new item coming to the market. Another new item, and this was actually featured on the Today Show. It will be coming into the store in pink. I got it actually from the manufacturer itself. This is called a bacon bin. Comes in this nice fun little box here. And it is silicone. And what you do here, as I say, it will be pink. This is a little strainer, so when you've got your bacon fat with all the different bacon bits, you always sort of wonder, what am I pouring it into? Well, do I have an empty soup can? Do I have a plastic bottle? What can I pour it into? And cooking with bacon fat is great because everything's better with bacon. But so you would pour your bacon fat right through here. It will be strained. Then you'll have your fat in here. You can then stick it in the freezer.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Liberty State. We have our first door prize winner today. Ruth Kirkpatrick is our first winner. Ruth Kirkpatrick.
Congratulations.
Come down to the service desk and pick out your prize. Thanks very much for joining us today.
So you can put this into your freezer and let it solidify, and then you can toss it out, or you can put it in your refrigerator and be able to then scoop bacon fat for cooking right out of it. So it's a nice contained piece. This was actually featured on the Today Show. I just came back about a month ago from the International Houseware Show, which is a huge, huge trade show featuring all the new products coming to market, and this was picked by the Today Show as one of the cool new items.
And when will that be available?
This will probably be available here in May. Yeah, we should be getting it sometime next month. It's due into our warehouse. So I called and got it directly sent to me. The other thing that we have, and we do have these in stock, and these are $11.99. This is the spiralizer. Have people heard of what a spiralizer is? So what you can do is you can make basically pasta from a zucchini, a squash, and you just will, see here, it's all a little thin, so you can cook this quickly. You can saute it. You don't need to boil it because there's so much water in it already, so you can just saute this in your skillet. And your kids who don't want to eat veggies, you put a little spaghetti sauce on this, they don't know the difference. It's
a little bacon fat.
Yeah, exactly. And a little olive oil, you got it. So this is called the spiralizer. And, you know, it's a whole new way of, you know, using a zucchini and, you know, just saute it. You can use it, you know, however you want to, you know, pasta, whatever you want. It's just a great new item. Actually, it's not all that's new. It's been around for a little bit. Another thing that is new is this Chateau wine spill. And we actually do have it in another version that's just called Stain Rescuer that we're out of stock of. Of course, I picked all the winning items. And what I did earlier today was I poured some red wine and some Stonewall Kitchen blueberry jam on this white t-shirt. And you just spray this on. We all, you know, have little spills, and it's going to come out. That's been sitting there for about 20 minutes or so. So we'll eventually just keep rubbing it out, and it's going to come out. So you don't have to wreck your white dining room table from Easter or Christmas time.
How does it work with set instinct? It may have been there an hour or so.
That should be fine. If it's maybe days, it might not work quite as well, but it should be fine with that. And then just sometimes use a little water, and then, you know, wash also, but it will come right out. And then, let's see, another new item. This was another item selected, and this is called the Rapid Slicer. And the Rapid Slicer is made in the USA, so that's a great product. It is brand new to the market. It was selected out of 500 kitchen tools. It was selected at the Housework Show to be in the top 10 finalists. So what it is it's just a disc that's got a little bit of texture to it. And the lid also has a little bit of texture. And there's a variety of different things you can do with this.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Damariscotta Hardware's Ladies' Day. We have a prize winner here for the door prizes. Mike Bradley is our current winner. So Mike Bradley, if you're in the store, please come down to the service desk and claim your prize. And thanks for joining us today.
So what you can do is you just put your tomatoes down on this. Take a sharp knife. It has to be 7 inches or longer because it has to go across the diameter. And you just hold on. And everything is sliced in half. Easy. I just did that in, 10-15 seconds versus however long it would take. So that's really, really easy. I'll take all this home and saute it tonight. Got the olive oil already on it. The other thing this is great for, I'm making a mess, I'll have to use my wine remover on some of the tomato stains, is this is great for if you have a chicken breast, a pork tenderloin, something that you want to slice in half, but it's like, how do I do that? So you can just put that here. Just go straight across. And you can, even go again. You have to at least have it, above this surface area. So you could probably even go a little thinner, it's a little tighter, but there's still a little space in there. So I just did it twice. So you have nice little cutlets. So, and then dishwasher safe. There are little non-skid pads down on the bottom, so on your kitchen counter it's not going to slide away from you. And that's basically, that was quick. I had a little more, but those are sort of the top items. Any questions regarding kitchen gadgets? And what's your favorite gadget to use? What's your favorite tool to use? Or what do you wish you had sometimes that's a hassle for you? Any ideas? There is a gadget. What do you go reach for? What's your favorite thing that you always reach for that you use the most? A sharp knife. A sharp knife, a lot of people don't like working with sharp knives because they feel they're dangerous. A sharp knife is actually a safer knife because if it's sharper, it's going to perform better for you. And you want tools that perform. If it's dull, you're working harder. You've got your hands holding on to something tighter. You're trying to slice something. Whereas a sharp knife is going to make that a lot easier, so you don't have to have your fingers in the way and grip real tight. So always have a sharp knife. It's critical. Dull knife is not your friend at all. Any other kitchen gadget questions? Serrated blade is tougher to sharpen. There are some sharpeners out there that will do it, but I would probably go have it professionally done. They know how to do it. I know Freeport knife. You go down to Freeport. They professionally sharpen knives. But there are some handheld sharpeners. The Aladdin knife sharpener does very, very well. Ceramic knives are also great. You know, they stay sharp very, very long time. Any other questions? What do you guys think about? Yes.
How about something to squeeze the juice out of orange and lemons and lime?
There's a few different things that you can do with that. There's lemon reamer. So that is an oval shaped with waves basically on it, with lime, and you would go cut your lemon or lime or orange and just ream it that way by going in. There's also something called lime sprayer and lemon sprayer, and you probably could use it for oranges too. That basically looks like a reamer, and it goes in. You just cut off a little bit of the top, and it will go down into it, and then it will activate a spray. So you're getting the juices from that, and that's really cool too, because that'll give you just a light mist if you want a lemon scent on a drink, on your fish, on your salad, whatever. It will work that way too. What did you guys think of this? These are $12.99, as I say, made in Connecticut, so it's all a U.S. made product. A finalist at the Houseware Show. This product is $11.99. I don't remember how much she priced these. I didn't check this out. These are brand new. But we have just those three right now. We will be getting more in. There are a few more of these on the shelves, and these were just landed on Thursday here, so they're don't even have a home yet out on the shelf. Do you think something like this would be helpful for you at home? Especially cutting those chickens or fish even, if you want a thinner piece of fish. Any other questions about kitchen tools or gadgets? This is a fun item too. How many people, when they've got bacon fat, don't know what to do with it? And they put it into a plastic glass and it starts to melt away. Anything else that I can answer for you? Okay, this might need a little bit more puzzles. How many have kids that don't want to eat their vegetables? How many have me? It's coming out, yep. So this is looking pretty good with a little chicken breast and a little seasonings in it. I had dinner already. Pretty good. And really inexpensive. I mean, what? I know, exactly. We can. I'm sure they'll probably have something fired up later this afternoon, knowing them. So, but yeah, the syrup dispenser of this is a great item and the syrup dispenser was actually tested by King Arthur Flour for about 6 months to make sure that the syrup, if it was in that spout, didn't get all crusted and get sticky and gunk it up. So. It passed with flying colors, so it's got their seal of approval on it too. So that will be in later this spring also. Any other questions? Kitchen gadgets are fun. They can make your life easier in the kitchen, and that's what it's